So while I'm feeding the fish, every time I come out here, I notice this thing. And at the beginning of the the beginning of the spring, summer, when I first started doing that this year, feeding fish this year, I noticed this little divot in the bottom off the shallow. I'm at the dock, by the way. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
And I'm pretty sure this is one of the springs that feeds the lake, and it brings sediment up to the surface, and it's been building this thank you, loud truck. It's been building this pimple underwater, this ginormous volcano pimple, and it freaking looks like, I don't, like an animated GIF or something. It's mesmerizing. But yeah, it keeps building up dirt, and you can see where the little columns of dirt go down every which way. I wonder if this will actually breach the water before winter sets in, because like I said, it started at the bottom as this little depression, and now it's just huge. It's like clouds of Jupiter or something.